Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a PowerPoint presentation to Canva, the ultimate 2025 guide. If you've ever wanted to take your slides to the next level with Canva's stunning design tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your PPT into Canva and start creating visually amazing presentations. Let's dive in. Access the upload feature first. Open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the purple upload button. A small menu will appear. Choose Upload Files. This is your gateway to bringing your PowerPoint presentation into Canva. Locate and select your PowerPoint file next. Navigate through your computer files and find the PowerPoint you want to upload. Canva supports both PPT and PPTX formats, so either works perfectly. Make sure you select the most recent version of your presentation to avoid outdated slides or missing content. Once you've chosen your file, click Open and Canva will start the upload process. Step 3. Complete the upload and access your presentation now. Canva will process your PowerPoint. The speed depends on the size of your file and your internet connection, so be patient if it takes a moment. Once the upload is complete, your slides will appear right in your Canva projects. Each slide is fully editable, meaning you can start redesigning, adding animations, or adjusting layouts right away. Take advantage of Canva's design and collaboration tools. Here's where Canva really shines. You can now enhance your slides with Canva's huge library of images, icons, and fonts. Adjust layouts, improve visual appeal, and collaborate with teammates in real time. Whether you're polishing a work presentation or creating an eye-catching school project, Canva makes it easy to elevate your content. And that's it. Uploading your PowerPoint to Canva is simple, fast, and opens up endless design possibilities. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips about Canva, and I'll see you in the next video.